So this is a typical bedroom before the treatment. Actually, I'm cheating a bit. We already installed the monitors. This is our sample bedroom. The bed has been completely stripped. The nightstands have been moved away from the bed, I would say 6-7 inches on both sides. The nightstand also was moved away from the wall, just like the headboard. See the posts and headboard? Nothing touches the wall. Now let's take a peek under the bed. What you see under the bed can actually stay there, as long as it doesn't touch the bottom of the box spring or any of the legs. That is fine. As we know, bedbugs don't jump, they don't fly. In order to get to you, they have to go through these monitors. On the other side of the bed, under the bed, we found this bag. This bag cannot stay under as it touches the bottom of the bed, allowing bedbugs to crawl on the back and then onto the bed. It has to be removed. This is what homeowner will typically see when they enter the room after our treatment. Of course, the mattress and the box spring will be encased. We haven't encased it here yet. More importantly, you will find bags like this sitting on the floor. These bags contain everything that has been removed from the bed. There will be other bags, also black bags that we use, that we might have removed the content of the bureaus into. In this case, we didn't touch any of the bureaus. There was no need for it, just the bedding. Whatever you find in these bags, you need to process. By process, I mean wash it if it needs to be washed, but we're going to focus on drying. Remember, we're not trying to drown bed bugs, we're trying to bake them. So put in the wash it if you have to, regular wash, then put in the dryer, high heat, minimum half an hour. Make sure you do not overstuff the dryer. Everything that was removed from the bed and placed in these bags can go straight back on the bed after you washed it and dried it. You don't have to put it in the bag, it can go straight on the bed. That includes the pillows as well. Yes, you have to process pillows in a similar fashion. Okay, let's talk about common problems with the bed setup on daily basis. As you have seen in the previous video, or previous portion of the video, nothing was touching the floor or the wall. In this case, somehow the blanket is touching the carpet, the floor. Bedbugs will simply bypass the monitor and use the blanket to get to you. Same story here. Some careless mistake. The pillow is touching the nightstand. Okay, the bedbugs will bypass the monitors, use the nightstand to crawl into the pillow and crawl onto the bed to get to you. Let's walk around. Another common problem here. A pillow sitting on the floor, touching the bed frame. The same story. Bedbugs will bypass the monitor, use the pillow, especially since the pillow has your scent on it. They'll be attracted to it. They'll get to the bed, they'll get to you. These are the most common problems. One of the very common questions we are asked by our clients is the post-treatment procedures for cleaning your house. Vacuuming, washing the floors, etc. When it comes to vacuuming, you can vacuum your house as long as you stay 2, 3, maybe 4 inches away from the walls. Okay, so you can vacuum all the way under your beds. That is all fine, as long as you're not sucking anything out of the monitors. So you can vacuum around the beds, under the nightstand, under the bureaus. This is all fine. This is all good. as long as you stay away 3-4 inches from the edge of the carpet. Now when it comes to the closets, here's a closet. The same procedure. Stay away from the edge, from the line of the closet where the door is, okay? The reason for it is there is a product which is applied. You might not see it, but the product is there. We don't want to suck that product out. We want bedbugs to make a contact with the product. That's one of the lines of defense we put in place. I hope that answers your questions. The same process should be followed when you're washing the floors in the kitchen and bathrooms. Just stay away 2-3 inches from the edges.